Okay, so this is the main Byldr menu. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a new build. So you can see here, I am typing in the name of my new build. This will be the robotic arm build because I'm actually going to create a build that showcases a maintenance technician training application for a solar cell manufacturing line. So you can see here, I've just opened up my create menu and I can choose from a wide range of objects that I've uploaded to the Byldr web portal. For example, you can see here, I uploaded an image previously onto the Byldr web portal, and now I've imported it into my build right here in a 3D environment in the headset. I can also import not just images, but also audio files as well as 3D models. As you can see here, I've imported a 3D model of a solar cell manufacturing line. And what I can do, pretty nifty, I can go ahead and just reach out with my hands and I can use my hand raise to position it. I can resize it, move it, rotate it, just using the hand raise that are coming out of my hands over here. Now let's go ahead and add in a few more contextual items to this build. I'm going to add in some information about the robotic arms and place it. Let me go ahead and bring it back closer to me. I want to show you something cool. You can actually reach out and you can also directly with your hands adjust and rotate, resize, and position any 3D model or object that you bring in using the handles that you saw there on the side of the image. But let's go ahead and put it back there near the 3D arms. Now let's go ahead and put in some guidelines, some training guidelines and inspection guidelines. You can see here, these are a few steps that a technician might take when maintaining and checking for cleanliness and checking for system operations, making sure everything is moving smoothly. So you can go ahead and put in these near where the technicians are supposed to be checking for the equipment. We'll go ahead and drop in one last uh, list here. And then after that, what I want to also show you is the ability to also animate objects within Byldr and Byldr support for animations. Let's go ahead and put this right over here. Okay, this is my menu over here where I can control different objects. So this is the animations menu. I can actually record an animation, or if 3D Artist has already completed a built-in animation, you can actually trigger that animation on demand within Byldr. So you can see here I just triggered the animation, and what you're seeing here is a pick and place animation where the robotic arms are picking up the solar cells coming out of the manufacturing line and putting them where they're supposed to be. So this is pretty cool. So you can actually uh, animate various steps in a maintenance simulation, and you can trigger each steps for making training far more immersive. This is just one example. Training is just one of literally thousands of examples of what kind of applications that you can build in Byldr. For example, another thing I want to showcase is a real estate showroom application that we previously also created in Byldr. And here you can see there is a 3D map on a conference room table, and scattered throughout the conference room are informational panels and infographics and pictures about this skyscraper that's being built in downtown Seattle. You can also toggle on other visualizations such as the interior of what the skyscraper has to offer and it really make the whole experience very, very immersive, very eye-popping, very attractive. This particular example was created in Byldr in only about a couple hours. The previous training, the beginnings of the training application, well, you saw I was creating that in real time. That was just a few minutes, so you can imagine with a few hours, you could develop something quite comprehensive and quite compelling. So there you go, just a quick demonstration of Byldr.